Now, wineries are offering these experiences which allow you to sort of walk through the vines and actually see where the grapes are grown. Often they'll do degustations, you might be allowed to go down into the cellars. It really is a much more immersive way to learn about the great wines that they're making.
Gracetown is a super special place, unlike anywhere else I've been. You have so many coastal herbs through there. Saltbush is a big one. Kangaroo is abundant in the region. Super sustainable, really, really healthy, and also super delicious.
Where are we? Can you tell me?
This is top secret surf spot in the Margaret River region, so no, I can't tell you.
It's pretty amazing anyway. So I have just a tiny little selection here, a little snapshot of what's available in the region. The Fraser Gallop Malbec. So Malbec grows really well in Margaret River. We're ending with the Deep Woods Reserve Shiraz. So Margaret River does some pretty smart Shiraz, and this is definitely one of them.
Oh, yeah.
I reckon I like both.
Yep.
And it's not like we haven't done two before.
Yep.
So let's just do it.
Let's do both.
Cheers.
Okay. We're gonna sear off this kangaroo and just cook it over the coastal rosemary, which is found all along this coastline. We're gonna wilt off some of this saltbush that we've collected just around the corner here. We've got a little kangaroo tail sauce and then a crumb with some wattle seed and some of that, I guess, fried saltbush through it as well. Kangaroo is extremely healthy, super sustainable. Along with that, it's very delicious. So
yeah, it is.
That's why kangaroo is a favourite of mine.
Cool.
Let's dig in.
That is incredible. And it begs the question, why don't we eat kangaroo at every meat opportunity? I love it.
Kangaroo is super delicious. Also, another little treat, whenever we're eating kangaroo, smoked butter and then a little wattle seed and slippery jack mushroom Vegemite on toast.
Really?
Yeah, so we'll have a little slice of this.
I love Vegemite.
A little soldier.
I'm pretty excited. You're so clever.
Shall we go and check out the view?
Yes.
And we've got some beautiful yelling up cheese.
Yes, okay, let's go.
All right.
Great.